Do you think boiling eggs is just dropping them into hot water and waiting? That's the biggest mistake nearly 90% of people make every single morning. What five-star hotels never tell you is this: they do not boil eggs the way you do. And that's exactly why their eggs come out perfectly smooth and silky, with rich melt-in-your-mouth yolks, while yours turn out too dry one time, undercooked the next. Frustrating enough to make you not want a second bite. But here's the shocking part. With just one tiny change, something you already have in your kitchen, you can turn an ordinary egg into a restaurant-quality dish right at home. No expensive equipment, no complicated techniques. Yet the result will truly surprise you. The question is, are you ready to try the method that five-star chefs have been quietly using all along? Have you ever looked at something so simple, so utterly commonplace, and felt a pang of frustration, a whisper of inadequacy? For me, that something was an egg. Yes, a humble, unassuming egg. For years, boiling an egg felt like a cosmic lottery, a culinary gamble where the odds were perpetually stacked against me. Cracked shells, stubborn peels that tore away half the precious white, rubbery textures, or yolks that were either too runny or too chalky. It was a constant reminder that even the most basic acts could elude my grasp, leaving me feeling, well, less than five-star. But life, as it often does, has a funny way of teaching us profound lessons through the most unexpected avenues. And for me, that avenue led straight into a steaming pot, a journey not just about perfecting a breakfast staple, but about discovering patience, precision, and the extraordinary beauty hidden within the ordinary. It was a quest to transform a mundane chore into an art, to understand that even an egg, given the right attention, could become a masterpiece worthy of a gourmet table. This isn't just a story about boiling eggs. It's a story about finding mastery in the everyday, about elevating the simple to the sublime, and ultimately, about creating something truly nourishing both for the body and the soul. I remember staring at those perfect, gleaming eggs in glossy magazine spreads, or served with such elegance in upscale bistros. How did they do it? What was their secret? It seemed an impossible standard, a culinary magic trick I was destined never to master. But then, a quiet whisper of curiosity turned into a determined resolve. What if I could unlock those secrets? What if the path to a perfectly boiled egg was a metaphor for unlocking a more refined, more mindful approach to life itself? My journey began not with a grand culinary school, but with a humble kitchen and a desire to truly understand. The first revelation came with cleanliness, an often overlooked prelude to perfection. I learned that a truly exceptional egg experience starts even before the heat touches the shell. Forget a quick rinse under the tap. The secret, I discovered, was a thorough, almost ritualistic cleansing. Take your eggs, I was advised, and gently, yet firmly, wash them thoroughly with a mixture of baking soda and a pinch of salt, This isn't just about removing visible dirt. It's about a deeper purification. The baking soda works wonders to neutralize any lingering odors, while the salt, with its gentle abrasive quality, helps to scrub away microscopic bacteria and impurities clinging to the porous shell. It's like preparing a canvas for a painting, ensuring a pristine surface before you even begin. This simple act transformed my perspective. It wasn't just about cooking. It was about respect for the ingredient, a foundational step that set the tone for everything that followed. It taught me that excellence often begins with meticulous preparation, with honoring the essence of what you're working with, no matter how small. With the eggs impeccably clean, the next step felt counterintuitive yet profoundly impactful, a quiet, patient soak. Before any heat was applied, I learned to soak the eggs in clean, room-temperature water for about 10 minutes. At first, I wondered why. Why add another step to an already time-sensitive process? But the wisdom behind it was undeniable. This brief soak serves multiple crucial purposes. Firstly, it stabilizes the internal temperature of the egg, bringing it closer to the water it will eventually be cooked in. This gradual adjustment significantly reduces the thermal shock, which is a primary culprit behind those frustrating cracks that often appear during boiling. No more sudden explosions or weeping whites escaping their confines. Secondly, and perhaps even more magically, this pre-soak contributes to making the eggs incredibly easy to peel later. It's as if the shell, gently hydrated, becomes more amenable to release its precious cargo. This step taught me the power of patience, of allowing things to acclimate, to settle, before rushing them into a demanding situation. It's a lesson I've carried far beyond the kitchen. Sometimes, the best way to prepare for a challenge is to simply pause, absorb, and find your equilibrium. Then came the game changer, the technique that truly separated the 5-star approach from my previous haphazard attempts, ditching the direct boil. For so long, I had simply plunged eggs into a furiously bubbling pot, watching them bounce and clatter, often resulting in tragic cracks and uneven cooking. The revelation was to embrace the steam. Using the egg steaming method instead of boiling directly in water, was a revelation. It's a gentler, more controlled environment. The eggs rest serenely in a steamer basket, suspended above the simmering water, enveloped by a consistent, even heat. This prevents them from bumping against each other or the sides of the pot, thus eliminating the primary cause of cracking during the cooking process. The steam permeates the shell more evenly, leading to a more uniformly cooked egg white and yolk. It was a powerful metaphor for life. Sometimes a gentler approach, a softer hand, yields far superior results than brute force or direct confrontation. It taught me that finding an alternative, more harmonious method can transform frustration into effortless success. But the secrets didn't end there. To further enhance the peeling process and subtly elevate the flavor, I discovered a truly ingenious trick. Within the steamer, alongside the eggs, I learned to place a small. Alongside the eggs, I learned to place a small, heat-safe dish containing a tablespoon of white vinegar and a generous pinch of salt This seemingly minor addition works wonders. The vinegar, a mild acid, subtly interacts with the calcium carbonate in the eggshells, ever so slightly softening them. This makes the subsequent peeling an absolute dream, allowing the shell to slide off with minimal effort, leaving behind a perfectly smooth, unblemished egg white. The salt, meanwhile, doesn't just contribute to the softening. It also imparts a delicate, almost imperceptible enhancement to the egg's natural flavor. It's a testament to how small, intelligent additions can make a monumental difference. How subtle nuances can elevate an experience from good to truly exceptional. It reminded me that paying attention to the details, the seemingly insignificant elements, is often the key to unlocking true mastery and creating something truly special. Armed with these new techniques, the next crucial element was precision, timing. No more guessing games, no more pulling out eggs hoping for the best. The steaming method allowed for remarkable consistency. I learned that for a gloriously soft-boiled egg, with a firm white and a wonderfully runny, golden yolk, precisely 6 minutes of steaming was the magic number. The kind of egg that bursts with creamy richness, perfect for dipping toast soldiers. For those who prefer their eggs fully set, a perfectly hard-boiled egg with a tender, never rubbery white and a beautifully firm yet creamy yolk required 11 to 12 minutes This precision wasn't just about a recipe. It was about understanding the delicate balance of time and heat, about respecting the transformation happening within the shell. It taught me that knowing when to stop, when to allow a process to reach its optimal point, is as vital as knowing how to start. It's about being present, observing, and trusting the process, understanding that different desires require different durations. And then, the final dramatic flourish, the step that cemented the super easy peel promise, the ice bath. The moment the timer chimed, signaling the perfect doneness, I would immediately, without hesitation, immerse the steamed eggs in cold water to cool them down quickly, This rapid cooling, often called a shock, is absolutely critical. It doesn't just stop the cooking process dead in its tracks, preventing overcooking and that unsightly green ring around the yolk. More importantly, this sudden temperature change causes the egg white to contract ever so slightly, creating a tiny, almost imperceptible gap between the delicate egg white and the inner membrane of the shell. This gap, this minute separation, is the secret weapon for effortless peeling. The shells practically glide off, leaving behind a pristine, perfectly formed egg. It was a powerful lesson in embracing transitions, in understanding that a swift, decisive change can yield the most beautiful and desired outcome. It taught me that sometimes a sharp, quick action is necessary to preserve the integrity and beauty of what you've created. With a basket full of these perfectly boiled eggs, each one a testament to patience, precision, and mindful preparation. I felt a sense of accomplishment I hadn't anticipated. It wasn't just about cooking. It was about a journey of discovery, a metaphor for how small, deliberate changes can lead to profound improvements in any area of life. And what better way to celebrate this newfound mastery than to transform these culinary gems into something equally delightful and nourishing? The final act of this story, the culmination of all this careful work, is the creation of a simple, quick, and incredibly nutritious egg salad. It's a dish that truly lets the quality of your perfectly boiled eggs shine. The beauty of egg salad is its versatility and its ability to be both comforting and elegant. To begin, gather your perfectly peeled, hard-boiled eggs. I like to gently chop them into bite-sized pieces, not too fine, allowing for a pleasant texture. In a bowl, combine the chopped eggs with a few essential ingredients. A good quality mayonnaise, not too much, just enough to bind everything together into a creamy consistency. For a touch of brightness and tang, add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard and a splash of apple cider vinegar or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Finely diced celery or red onion can provide a lovely crunch and a subtle bite if you enjoy them. A sprinkle of fresh dill or chives, finely chopped, elevates the flavor profile, adding a herbaceous freshness that sings. Season generously with salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Mix everything gently, being careful not to overmash the eggs. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. This egg salad, born from eggs treated with such care and intention, is more than just a quick meal. It's a symbol. It represents how foundational elements, when prepared with precision and respect, can be transformed into something truly wonderful, something that nourishes and satisfies. It's a dish that can be enjoyed simply on its own, scooped onto crisp lettuce leaves or piled high on a slice of toasted artisanal bread. Each bite is a reminder of the journey, of the lessons learned, and of the immense satisfaction that comes from mastering something seemingly small yet deeply significant. It's a testament to the idea that true luxury isn't always about extravagance, but often about the elevated experience of the everyday, crafted with care, intention, and a touch of five-star magic. And that, my friends, is a lesson worth savoring, one perfect, easy-to-peel egg at a time.